Now, and ito very crucial win to kasi next yung kalaban, UST ulit.
We should be happy, no, kung nasaan kami, only because hindi pa kami patay, no? So buhay pa, head above water. So yun lang naman ang gusto mo, di ba? You just have to want to have a chance, no, moving forward. So today wasn't that nice. Buti na lang nakakuha kami ng panalo, no. We missed a lot of free throws. 16 of 25, 9 free throws out of the 9. Ang nagbintis ng 7 yung inimbitahan niya dito. So before he came in sa room, we took free throws dun sa kabila. And that's something that our players need to understand really. Take everything seriously in practice. And this is one emphasis point that we have, yung free throws namin. And that's the only reason why we gave ourselves a chance against UST when we last played them, because we only missed 1 free throw. No, ngayon ang dami. So dapat mag-improve. No, dapat mag-improve kami. Well, UE played, no, aside from our free throws, UE really played really well today. They were very deliberate. They knew what they were doing. They are due for a win. No? So makikita rin natin yan.
Thank you to